Hey everyone, this is Utsav from Wow Production, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can import your photographs or stock photos in Lightroom. So open up Lightroom and go to library and import right here and select the folder you want to import in Lightroom. For example, I'm importing this stock folder. Now I'm gonna click import, and as you can see, the photos have been imported in Lightroom. And the next step is simple. You just have to select the photograph, whatever you have to edit, and just click on the develop option to develop this image in Lightroom. I hope you like this video. It was short, so if you found this video helpful, please do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. I'm gonna upload how to develop this image in a very short time, so make sure you subscribe the channel and hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.